Alright, have you ever heard something about AI which you just assumed to be true? Like AI taking over jobs, AI controlling us humans? Well, I definitely did. I did a research on it and found things that left me shocking. Hey everyone, this is me Naya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the most biggest AI myths out there. So I want you to stay till the end because by the end of this video, you'll get to know things which you probably didn't know before. So, let's get started. Myth number 1. AI will replace human jobs. Okay, this is probably the most common myth out there about AI. Will it really replace human jobs? See, I used to think that AI will probably replace all human jobs. Like, why would companies hire people if AI could literally do everything? And sure, yeah, AI is literally automating several tasks. So, will it actually replace human jobs? Well, the answer is no. See, some of the jobs will surely get replaced because if they are mostly repetitive jobs, repetitive tasks, and the ones that don't require much human decision making skills. Like, for example, data entry and customer service and jobs in factories, all of them are actually already being replaced by AI currently. But here's the thing, AI will not eliminate all jobs, it will change our jobs. In fact, it will bring in new jobs. For example, take Google. When Google first arrived, the search engine Google, people thought that it will literally take away several jobs. But what did it do instead? It created several new opportunities and new jobs for people. Before Google, people used to rely on researchers and librarians and encyclopedias and all for researching things. But after Google, people just got a little search engine and they can literally search throughout the web for anything they want at the current moment. So, did it replace all jobs? No. Some jobs, yes, and it also created new jobs like data analyst and several more. So that's the same for AI. AI will surely replace jobs, but these jobs are at minor level. AI will also create new opportunities. It's basically opening doors to new careers. Like, for example, currently there are jobs like prompt engineering and AI specialists, like AI ethics specialists and AI trainers. These jobs didn't exist before. That means it's literally creating new jobs, and that's a good opportunity. Myth number 2, AI will take over the world. Okay, tell me I'm not the only one who thought that AI is like some evil mastermind who will just who just wants to take control of the world and kill humans or something. Well, movies make it so real, right? Yeah. Well, that's not true. See, AI doesn't want anything. It doesn't have goals and it obviously does not wanna take over the world at any moment. AI works by recognizing patterns and identifying, prediction and like seeing predictions, making predictions. So it's not, it doesn't have self awareness, it doesn't have personal ambitions, obviously, it also doesn't have desires to literally control the world. So that's surely not gonna happen. But why are people still, fearing AI? See, it's not because AI is gonna take over the world. It's because headlines are literally saying it in a way that makes it look like AI is in control, but in fact it's just doing what it's programmed to do. So advanced AIs are gonna do advanced things that keep people shocked, and they think that AI is gonna take over. They take control over us, but that's not true. Humans are the ones controlling it, and that's what they are performing. But see, that's not the main problem to focus on. The main thing here is how we humans are misusing AI. Deepfakes, AI powered scams, biased systems, these are the things we need to actually care and be worried about. These are the misuses of AI, and that's dangerous. Myth number 3, AI is just another buzzword. Okay, this one's interesting. See, I don't believe it, but many people, like, one's older generations, they would think that AI is just another tech trend that came, will stay for a while, and just, fade away. But that is not true. Like, for example, blockchain and cryptocurrency. If you know about it, you'd probably know that it came stayed for a while, and it had a huge hype between people, and people thought that it would literally change everything, right? Everyone were talking about it. But what happened? After a while, it literally lost its spark. But that is not going to happen with AI. AI is actually quite different from blockchain and cryptocurrency. AI is not a hype. AI is not just a single technology. It's a shift in how everything works. And unlike blockchain, which was limited to finance, AI is everywhere. It's in finance, education, healthcare, and businesses, and even everyday daily life, daily activities. It's everywhere. Think about it. See, AI is not just ChatGPT or Midjourney or something like that. AI is being used to diagnose diseases. AI is being used to create personalized learning. AI is being used to assist in scientific research. AI is used in automating businesses and several other things. And if you notice, several big companies like Google, Microsoft, and now OpenAI, Tesla, all of them are investing billions of dollars on AI. Why do you think they're doing it? Governments are launching new AI policies. Schools are implementing AI related stuff for for the betterment of education. Why do you think everyone's implementing AI in their fields? That's because AI is not a trend, it's a transformation for every single thing. AI is a huge part of future and it is surely not going away. Okay, myth number 4. AI generated content is easy to spot. At first I thought that AI generated stuff should be easy to identify, right? I mean, it's not human generated, it's not human made. So it should be easy to identify, right? Well, that's wrong. Let me explain. Look at these two images. One is AI generated and other is made from a human. Can you identify which one is which? Perhaps it might be difficult, right? Exactly. That's what I'm exactly trying to say. AI generated content is getting so advanced now that even experts are struggling to identify it. And that is actually a big deal. Now you might be wondering, there are many AI detection tools, right? Yes, they do exist. AI detection tools are actually a thing. And they claim to be 99% accurate, but that's not true. They're not always perfect. In fact, in real time, application, they fail to actually tell which one is real and which one is AI generated. So they make mistakes. So they're not 99, they are way less reliable currently. But here's the weird part. AI detection tools versus AI content generation, it's itself like a battle. Like, one of them is trying to get advanced, the other will also get advanced along with it. Let me explain. The better the detection tools get, the better the AI gets. It will try avoiding detection. So if the detection tools try to get better, then the AI will also advance and get improvised to avoid detection. Both of them are like a constant war, and both of them are literally advancing day by day, and we can't do anything about it. And this is where things get dangerous. AI is now creating realistic but very fake images, videos, and voices. So anything you see out there on in the internet may not be true. AI-powered scams like fake news and videos and deepfakes, all of them are being generated and they look super realistic. And we can't just believe everything we see on the internet currently, because now we never know if something is actually real or AI generated. So the next time you see something online and it's quite shocking, think before you share it to others, because it might be AI generated. Okay, myth number 5. Can AI become conscious? Okay, this one's quite interesting, and this is where things get crazy here. Could AI ever truly be conscious? And what do you mean by conscious here? Like, think, feel, and like have those emotions and actually be self-aware and actually act like a human. Basically, being like a human, having consciousness in yourself. Can AI actually truly become conscious? Do you think that's true? Can it? Well, right now, it's not. In the future, we never know. Right now, AI is just processing numbers and different patterns. It doesn't have thoughts, emotions, or self awareness. But some scientists are predicting that if AI gets complex enough, it may develop something called consciousness, and that's scary. Right now, AI is just pattern matching. It generates responses based on probabilities. It obviously doesn't understand what it is saying if it's, emotion related. But you might be thinking that there are several new models out there, like the reasoning models, the thinking models, models that the AI models that can talk about emotions and feelings. What about them? Are they conscious? No, they're not. These models are just predicting the most statistically likely response based on the training data on emotions, feelings, and self awareness and consciousness. They don't actually feel the consciousness in themselves. So, here's where it gets weird. Some people actually think that it's possible for AI to get conscious in the future years, and some people disbelieve it and they think that it just cannot become like a human and actually become conscious. But we never know. It's just like, a debate happening. And this raises a huge question. What if AI actually becomes conscious and we don't notice it? What if one day it says something like, I'm feeling sad? How do we know that AI is actually feeling conscious and is, feeling sad and then telling it, or is AI just restricting us using an advanced pattern and just, talking about emotions in a way we think that it is feeling emotions? We never know. And that's quite scary. Right now, AI is nowhere near to that level, but in future, we don't know. It may happen or it may not happen. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned and actually got mind blown with all the myths that I just debunked about AI. My personal favorite was the last one, the consciousness one. It's not right now, it's obviously not conscious, AI, but in the future there are possibilities, and I believe that's true. So like it might get conscious, but whatever, guys. If you want me to make a video separately on this, then sure, I'll make it. You can comment it down below. I'll research more on it and do a deep dive on whether AI can actually get conscious or not. Okay, until then, keep watching, keep exploring, stay updated. See you all in my next one. Bye.